there's a catfish right down here, an eel tailed catfish. I've only been down here for about not even a minute. I just set my rod up over here, and it's just swimming down there. I'm gonna try and hook up to him, and yeah, I'm gonna be so excited if I get this. It's only been a few minutes. I've seen mullet down there, a turtle, and this catfish. So let's see if we can get it. Cheers. Yes! Look at this. Just got an eel tailed catfish. He was just swimming in circles around there. That's his breeding zone. These catfish are very territorial, and at this time of year they make little breeding zones just there, and it's like a little circle with rocks and all that. That's what he's been doing. I just came down here and caught him. These catfish have a poisonous spine up there, so if you get pricked by one of them, you're gonna know you're gonna be in trouble. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get this guy out, the hook's just there, and get a photo with him, then release him straight away. He's been out for about half a minute now. So yeah, hook's out. Now I'm gonna try and release him. Okay, got the hook out. I'll walk over here and release him in the water. Back to where I got him. Bit of an angry fella. Oh. There, he swam off back to where he belongs. Hopefully, I'll be able to come back here, catch him again sometime. So, yeah, he's probably going to be in the same exact spot tomorrow, because that's his breeding ground. I bet he'll even come back while I'm still fishing here. I'm going to try and catch an eel for shark bait. So, yeah, we'll see how it goes. Cheers. Hey guys. So yeah, I just caught a catfish. I've been seeing a few mullet jumping, or not jumping, like swimming around out there. And I was just going to show you what the little nest of the catfish looks like. So, as you can see, flip the camera. As you can see, I'll get in a better spot. So, this catfish nest is like right there. So, they've like cleared all the rocks into a circle. And as you can see, like over there, it's all like moss and stuff. So they clean a little area, and then they like mate and do that over there. So yeah, if you find them, you're gonna usually find a lot of catfish. Just before I came home from school, it's about 5 now, I saw another eel tailed catfish further down the creek down that way, and yeah, it had a little nest like that as well. So they're actually quite common along this creek. So yeah, I'm actually trying to catch an eel, but it's always good getting something. So yeah, if I catch an eel, I'll be definitely using that for shark bait. I've already got one in my freezer right now, but it's only a small one. So a bigger one would be nice, so I get more like fillets off it for shark season. So yeah, I'm gonna keep fishing. If I don't get anything here, I may move down further, but if not, this is fishing. It's fun. So yeah, see ya. Jeez, I don't know if you can see this, but there's bloody mozzies everywhere. Far out. I literally feel like I'm standing in the water over there. Holy crap. Foot's like all red. Oh. I'm gonna stay here longer, but oh, far out, these mozzies. Oh, they're making me crazy. Oh. Probably stay another 10 minutes and I'm out of here. Oh. Guess I caught something. Far out. Oh, my legs. Oh, bloody mosquitoes. Well, I'm heading home now. Bloody attacked by mosquitoes. But I'm just going to wind these 2 rods in, pack up and go home. Hope you enjoyed the video. I didn't. I'm bloody attacked. But I'll definitely be coming back to try and catch eel for shark bait. And yeah, I'll definitely try and make a shark video soon. What am I? Oh, I'm getting a bite. Far out. I'm just going to leave this going. Get my GoPro and see if I can hook up to this. Yeah, that's biting. Yeah, stay here. Yeah. Probably just a little bit. You never know. I was literally just that one rod. Oh. I think it's a turtle, guys. I hope it's an eel or something, but mosquitoes, these are crazy. Come on, please be at eel. Nah, turtle, guys. Hate catching these. They just don't cooperate. He's a big bugger. Look at him. It's my hand. There's a big little turtle there. So, I'm gonna get the hook out, release him, and yeah, I'm gonna end the video there. So, cheers, thanks for watching, and have a good one. See ya.